Hi guys, now I'm showing write a C++ program to print payroll data priority in dollars. Oh my god, what is the program? So this is a very important program, and so in the C++ program, so you have to write print a payroll data priority in normal. So I have to print in dollars. So this was very tough and very big program is there. So I have to write very short program. I have to print that. So the program was too lengthy. I have to use many words and characters in this program. So here this is the program, and this was very lengthy program. So first I have to explain this program. So this program looks like very lengthy, but it's very simple, and I have to show how to do that. So here this is the header file, that is a hash include iostream.h. This is the one of the best and one of the important header file in the C++ programming language. So iostream means input output stream. So in that this program you have to give the cout and cin statements. So in that statements you have to no errors to in this out program. So you must give the iostream.h. So iostream is otherwise the compiler doesn't take the cout and cin statements with some another wrong statements. So here this is the IO manip. So IO manip is the input output manipulation.h. So this is one of the important header file in this program. So header files are very important in the C++ programming. So here this is the main function, and we have to take the character. So here the char emp name, so employee name of, so here in the employee name we have to take the array. So employee name of array equal to Larry Python. So Larry Python is the one of the employee, and again we have to take the char, we have pay date. So here we have the employee name, and the pay date is 03992. So here we have to give that. So now in hours, so here this is the character. So we have to take the integer. So int hours worked in 43 hours. So here we have to work with the 43 hours. So now float, so here we have to take the floating point numbers. Float rate is, so here the rate equal to 7.75 per pay per hour. So here we have to pay the 7.75 per hour, that is the rate. And float we have to tax rate is equal to 0.32 tax percentage rate. So here this is the tax percentage rate, and this is the pay per hour. So now float gross pay comma, so here we have to know of the gross pay and tax and net pay. So here do not initialize, that is a again we have to take the floating point number, float gross pay, taxes and net pay. So now here we have to know that. So first so we have to take the pay amount as the gross pay equal to hours worked into rate. So here we know that gross pay, so gross pay equal to hours worked into rate. Now tax equal to tax rate into gross pay. So here after we have to we have to know the tax rate into gross pay. Now tax rate into gross pay, we have to know the taxes. So net pay equal to gross pay minus taxes, we have to get the net pay. So here these the three are in mathematical formulas, so it's very important. So now here we have to print that results, that is cout as of pay date, and now we have to print the pay date. Now employee name worked in hours, how many hours are there. Now cout and get paid, and so now we have to put the set width, that is set width of 2, set position of 2. So set width, set position is 2 different, because we have to use the IO manipulation tool. So we have to do that. Now we have to print the gross pay. Now cout after taxes of set width 6 position 2, we have to get the taxes. Now here's his take home pay was in dollars, that is set width of set position to net pay in get returns, so return 0. So here this is the program, that is a very important program. So you have to know that. So this time I have to compile this program. So now here we have to open that. So this is the C++ IDE, and we have to know that. So that is here, that is a C++ IDE, Turbo C++ IDE. So now we have to take new file and watch here. Now hash include iostream.h and hash include iomanip.h and int main. So what's the color of changing in the integer? So integer is the predefined keyword. So the predefined keyword, the function has been changed, the color was changed. So now char also changed. Now emp name equal to Larry Python Python, and we have to close that. Now char pay date now here we have to the pay date is here 03/09/92, so that is a very far. So now here we have to take the integer int hours worked equal to 43. So now here we have to take the float point, float rate equal to 7.75. now float gross pay equal to now next float rate, and this is the float tax rate equal to 0.32 and float gross pay equal to, now we have to print that gross pay. We don't know that gross pay, so now we have the taxes and net pay. So we don't know that these values. Now this time I have to calculate that. First we have to know that gross pay equal to hours worked into rate. So here I know that. Now we have to do the taxes. So tax equal to tax rate into gross pay. So now we have that. Now net pay equal to gross pay minus taxes. So here we have to fill that. So now this time we have to print the results. Now cout now as of now pay date \n we have to close that. Now cout emp name worked hours worked. Now in hours. Now I had to close that. So again we have to print the three more lines are there. So now cout so this is a very long process, so I have to pause this and I have to write. So now watch here. In that we have to set the position of 2 So now set width of set width of 2 and set precision of 2, and we know that gross pay. Now gross pay \n. Now cout after taxes of set width of 6, precision of 2, and get the taxes. \n. Now cout his take home pay was in dollars. Set width of 8, precision of 2, net pay \n. We have to close that. So now this time I have to complete the right program, so this was very lengthy program. Now return 0. So here this is the program, and this is a very important program, very lengthy program also. So we have to compile this. So now press Alt plus F9. So sorry, there is an error there, so that's a very simple error, we have to find that. So now here the total lines, so oh my god, there is 1075 lines, and the warning is 0 and error is 0. So now we have to execute that. Press Ctrl plus F9, press here. So the file is executed, but the output has not shown in that here because you did not give the getch method. So you have to see the output. Press Alt plus F5. You have to see that. So watch here. So as of date, that is 03/9/1992, Larry Patton worked 43 hours and get paid 333.25 after taxes of 106.64. So now here his take home pay is $226. So this is a very important program. So here this is the way for using many applications in this program, this type of program. So this is the way to get the payroll data and process properly in dollars. So this program is here. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.